Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 90,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.